doing HYROX for the first time, then this video is for you. You have to do 8 kilometers run and complete 8 station. And before going to the HYROX, so make sure you check the HYROX rules in the HYROX website, and I will provide the link in the description. And in this video I will tell you like where to start the race and when to move or to go to the each station after completing 1 kilometer run. So let's move on to venue map. Start your race from the Red Bull start tunnel, and you will pass in sign once, and then you go and then you will see inside twice, and then you will pass it again. And then you will see inside for the third time, then you will enter the inside, and then you will go to station ski. Okay, so getting out from the ski station, and then you will go and then pass the outside, and then you gonna make another lap, and then you will go and you will see inside once, and then you will pass it again, and then go for another lap, and then you go and then you will see the inside for second time, and then you will enter, and then you will go to the station 2, which is Sled Push. So moving out from the Sled Push station again, like you will pass through the outside and then go for another lap, and you go and you will see inside once, and then you pass it again, and then you go, and then you see inside twice, and then you will enter, and then you will go to station number 3, Sled Pull. Moving out from the Sled Pull station, and then you will go, and then you will pass again outside, and then you will go and then you will see inside once, and then you will see inside twice, and you will enter, and then you will go to Burpee broad jump station. Going out from Burpee broad jump, and you will go pass through outside, and then you will go and then you will see inside, and then you will pass it again, and then you will see inside 2, and then you will enter, and then you will go to rowing station. Okay, so moving out from rowing station, you will pass outside again, and then you will go and you will see in once, and then you'll pass it again, and then you will see in twice, and then you enter, and then you will move to Farmer Carry station. Okay, so moving out from Farmer Carry station, you will pass outside, and then you'll go and see inside once, and then you'll go again, and then you'll see inside twice, you will enter, and then you'll go to Sandbag station. Okay, so moving out from Sandbag station, then pass through outside, and then you'll go and see inside once, and then you'll go again, you'll see inside twice, and then you'll enter the inside, and then you'll go to the last station, which is a wall vault station. I hope this video you found useful and helpful for the beginners. And if you're racing for the first time, then make sure you stay calm and listen to judges and complete your reps. And remember, run, station, run, and have fun. And thank you for watching.